Hello Odooers, welcome to our Odoo technical session. I am Abhay from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today I will show you how required attrs work in the Odoo. I will explain it by syntax and example. So let's start now. You can see here attrs document. Basically three types of attrs in Odoo. First, invisible. Second, read only. Third, required. Now we will run required attrs. So required attrs syntax: required equal to field's name and then operator and then value. Let's understand by example. Now I set required attrs on order date field. Whenever the state is draft, then is field is required, so record does not save. Now restart the terminal and let's move to the browser. So here you can see order date field in draft state. Order date field is empty. This record does not save and given a warnings. And then now I put value this field. Then you can see the record is saved. If you have any doubts, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for watching our videos. Let's meet in the next session.